Hi Dress Your Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Mr. Cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's get started. To draw this cool cupcake, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the eye sockets. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go ahead and start, draw a curve coming down. And then I'll come right across the other side, about right here, and draw the same thing. There, so I got two curves, so I know where my eye sockets are going to be. From there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to round this corner off, and we're just kind of drawing this squarish, ovalish shape, I guess. So we're going to kind of slant down a little bit, and then about right here, I'm going to round it off, and I'm just going to start connecting. Just come down, round it off again, and connect. So we just want this, like I said, like a rounded, squarish oval, right? So then from there, let's do the same thing on the other side. So just round this part off. We just want to make sure we slant down as we're about right here. And just like the other side, we're going to round this part off, bring it down, and connect. So don't worry too much if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. It could be different shapes, so we just want it approximate. Okay, so now that we have these two sockets in, let's come back in here, and I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to slant a curve down. So kind of like these eyelids. And then we're going to thicken this part right here. Round this part off. We're going to go around and come back. So we're just creating this space. So this part is a round, and then just come around. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in black. There. And now let's come back about the center area, about right here, and I'm going to draw a big circle right inside. So a little bit more towards this edge. Then let's come back inside, and we're going to draw another circle. And then about right here, I'm just going to add another circle for a highlight. And I'm going to shade this all in. So this part would be the color of the eye. There. So same exact thing right here. I'm just going to round this off a little bit. So let's go ahead. Once again, we're just going to slant down and give it a little bit of space here. Round this part off. Same thing here. We're just going to come down, round it off, and connect. And shade it all in. It's a pretty simple cupcake, so the eyes are just the main thing. So I'm spending a little bit more time on it. So bear with me here. And they are pretty big, so it takes a little time to shade it in. You can always come back, fix your shapes. Okay, so there, now we have that. Let's go ahead and draw the same thing right about here. Go ahead and draw a big circle into the space. And once again, inside circle. And then a highlight. There, finally done with the eyes. Okay, so then from there, actually, you know what? 1 second. Let me slant this down a little bit more now that I'm looking at my camera. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to draw the cupcake shape. So let's come really close. So let's say about right here, just right next to the eyes. I'm just going to give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw a curve on top. So we're going to draw the top of our cupcake. So not too high, just a little bit above. Say about right here towards the center. And come down just like the other side. Then from there, we're going to bring this down to finish the rest of the top. And then about right there, I'm going to bring this down and start to wobble some cream. So say about right there, and I'm going to wobble nice and round like the other side. And then let's go ahead and let's only put 2 towards the center, and then again, and connect. There. So we got that little wobble in there. Then let's draw the teeth. So we're going to find our center about right here, come over a little bit on both sides, and we're going to draw these cute little teeth that pop out. And I'm just going to round it off. There, 2 teeth. And then now the cupcake, the bottom. So I'm going to come in a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and slant. I'm going to make mine a tiny bit shorter just to make it extra cute. So same thing just like the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and round it off and bring it across. There, so for my base. Then last but not least, we need to draw a candle right in the center. So about right here. And I go down and down right in the center, and I'll give it some stripes. And then we need to draw our light. So right there, we can go up and connect. And then when you're coloring, you can give it some of these stripes, like an orangey and yellow color, right about there. But that is pretty much it for this cute and awesome Mr. Cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.